All right, so hey guys, here's a little help video for you, okay? This worksheet is one where you are going to have to come and work it out, okay? Take a picture, submit it to Canvas, all right? So I wanted to give you a little help sheet. I'm going to work 3 problems with you. I'm going to work number 2, number 4, and then just as a reminder, I'm going to work number 9, okay? Now, the reason I'm choosing some of these is they are a little bit easier. Some of these are one-step equations, others are not, okay? So let's start here with number 2. Number 2 starts with v divided by 17 is greater than 6. V divided by 17 is greater than 6. Well, here's the issue. What do we want to do? To be able to graph this inequality, we need to get the letter by itself. The issue here, what's happening to our letter? It is being divided by 17. Well, how do you undo dividing by 17? You multiply by 17. Okay? So, once that happens, you get v is greater than, well, somebody help me out. What is 17 times 6? All right, so 17 times 6 gives us, guys, should give you 102, right? So there's your inequality, all right? Now, looking at this, you are going to have a open dot at the number 102. Now, what it is saying here is that v is greater than, so to be bigger than 102, you want everything to the right, okay? All right, let's look at number 4, all right? The reason I chose number 4 is this one has minus a negative. What happens when you minus a negative? They become positive. So we're left with x plus 11 is greater than negative 7. Now here, to get x by itself, we have to subtract 11 from both sides. You get x is greater than negative 18. This is another one where you're going to have an open dot at negative 18. And since x is bigger, you want to get everything that is bigger than negative 18, so that goes to the right. All right, now, I do want to look at, I'm going to look at one more after I do number 9, I decided. Okay, so let's look at number 9, though, real quick. Right here, we have negative 8m plus 8m is less than 0. Well, negative 8m and 8m will combine to make 0. They will cancel each other out. So you're left with 0 is less than 0. Now, looking at this, is that a true or a false statement? True. That is a false statement. Okay? Now, yesterday we saw one like this and we said it was true. The reason it was true is because it had the or equal to part. This one does not. Okay? So that's what makes it false. So therefore your answer is no solution. Okay? Now, as one final reminder of what we did yesterday, I want to go back and look at number 1, okay? Now, the thing with number 1, as you look at it, you have negative 11b is greater than or equal to negative 132, right? What's up?
So, you know how like 0,
All right, so looking here, to get b by itself, you've got to divide both sides by negative 11. However, when we divide by a negative, what do we have to do to our inequality? You have to flip it. You have to flip it, and then you keep the rest. Bless you. All right? Now, when you divide by that negative 11, you end up getting a positive number, and you end up getting positive 12. So your inequality is b is less than or equal to 12. Bless you. So you're going to have a closed dot on 12. And here they're saying 12 is bigger than b. So then your b needs to be everything that is smaller. So that is to the left. All right. So take a look at this. Let me know what questions you might have.